Okay, so this handout is for this video is for the last sequences handout. This is a pretty short one. This just follows up on that previous handout on sequences. So let's look at problem 2 here. We've got a sub n is equal to 2 plus 1 over 5n. And we've got epsilon equal to 0.0035. And b, epsilon is 0.0087. And for c, epsilon is 1 over 1,000. Okay. So we're going to set this up the same way. First off, we need to know the limit, right? The limit here is going to be 0. This denominator is going to infinity, so this piece is going to go to 0. And so our limit should be 2. And this should be coming towards 2 from above, right? From values that are larger than 2 coming down to 2. So the reason why I say that again is because when we set this up, 2 plus 1 over 5n minus 2, we can just take off the absolute values because what's inside there will be positive, right? Because this thing's bigger than 2. All right, and let's put the value of epsilon in there, 35 over 10,000. All right, the 2's cancel out. 1 over 5n less than 0.0035. Let's take reciprocals. So 5n greater than 1 over 0.0035, 285.71 ... Okay, this is these are sevenths. I wouldn't worry too much about it. Just take that number, which we've got sitting on the calculator, because we're just going to need to divide it by 5 anyway. 57.14 ... And so let's see here. Determine the values of n. So any n greater than 57, n greater than 57. If you want to call this greater than or equal to 58, that says the same thing. Doesn't matter. Okay? All right. Well, let's go back and make this 87.0087. And then we'll take the reciprocal. And that's 114.94 ... And then we're going to divide that by 5. 22.98 and so on. So n greater than 22, you can call it n greater than or equal to 23. It's the same thing. Okay. And then the last one here is 1,000th. So 1 over 1,000. This will be 1,000. And when we divide it by 5, it'll be 200. Let's see here. Is that right? Yeah, okay. I was getting thrown off because these have denominators of 10,000, but they are actually bigger than 1,000. Okay, so that's good. All right, problem 4. Problem 4, a sub n, 1 over n squared plus 5. And so our limit here should be 0, right? That denominator is going to infinity, and so our limit should be 0. And let's see what our epsilons are. 0.046. And then 1,000th. 0.001. And then, what is this? 2 10,000ths. 0.0002. Okay. So we'll set up this expression again. 1 over n squared plus 5 minus 0. Our first epsilon, 0.046. This is positive. We don't have to worry about the absolute value. And now let's take reciprocals. N squared plus 5 greater than reciprocal of 0.046. 21.739 or so. Subtract 5 on both sides. 16.739. And then take the square root. And that's going to be 409 and so on. So that just says n greater than 4 or n greater than or equal to 5. All right. Now let's do 0.001. Okay. And then if we take the reciprocal here, this is 1,000th, so that should be 1,000. This will be 900, 995. And now we need to take a square root there. Square root 995, 31.54. And so again, we can just say n greater than 31. If you want to say n greater than or equal to 32, it says the same thing. All right, one more here, 0.0002. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be 5,000. Let me double check that. Oh, right in front of me. Here we go. Yeah, 5,000. So that means that this is going to be 49.95. And then when we take the square root, 70.67. And so over here, we can just say n greater than 70. Okay, so that's it for sequences. And the next video, we will start out talking about infinite and finite series. All right, we'll see you then.